Hey you guys, thanks for tuning back in. Today I will show you guys what I found at the grocery store. So, grocery stores, they have those little gift shop areas, with the balloons and flowers that you can get for gifts. And sometimes they have plants there. Well, here at my local Vons, I found this really nice caladium. Still dripping because I just rinsed it off outside because I didn't want to bring it in just in case there were any pests. But I've seen caladiums before, the white ones and the red ones, but I haven't seen anything that was this color, the green and pink. I have to look up what this type is called, but they had just this one left and I left it there, and then the very next day I came back to get it because I didn't want to have that regret, because like I said, I hadn't found this color before anywhere else, and I'm not really familiar with caladiums. This is my first caladium, and I know that they grow from bulbs and they go dormant in the winter, so I don't think I'll be taking the bulbs out for the winter. I'll probably just leave them in the pot. I'm not really sure. We'll see. Maybe I'll take half out and replant in the spring, and then leave the other half in the pot and see which does better. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. But this wasn't really in good condition when I bought it. As you can tell, there's these two big leaves on the end, and then in the middle it's kind of really small leaves or foliage, but there is a lot of new growth. Right now I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new growth coming up. So I think if I put just a little bit of fertilizer, the leaves will be pretty big. Unfortunately, this one got damaged. I don't know, it was already like that. But at Vons, I don't know if you guys have Vons, but in California we do. They had other colors. They had red, and then they had a green and this bright red combination. Like I said, I'm not really familiar with caladiums, so I really have to search online on what this is called. But it's such a nice color combination of that green and pink, and in that pink area, as you can see, it's kind of translucent. If you put your finger behind it, it's almost see-through. And the green is this emerald green. So yeah, that is one. Oh, and at Vons, I did also find a peperomia frost. I don't know if you guys are familiar. I'll show you a picture of a peperomia frost that I have, but I found that there too as well. And it was in pretty good health. So don't skip out on your grocery store plant or gift area, because you might find some neat things there. And I also found an alocasia poly there as well, but I already had one. So the next plant I found was at Trader Joe's, and Trader Joe's sometimes carry really, really nice plants. This one is the peace lily, and it's the variegated form. It was the only one there, so I definitely had to grab it. And that was when I told myself I was going on a plant ban the day before, and then the next day I went to Trader Joe's for some groceries, and then I found this, so forget about that plant ban, right? But it's nice. This one leaf right here has a nice white to it, and there's some new growth coming up. It was a little bit misshapen when I got it because it was sitting in this really small shelf, so the leaves were kind of bent over, reaching for the light. As you can tell, it's still kind of lopsided in one area where the leaves were, turning more that way. but I've had it for two days now, and it's going pretty good. I also saw a rubber tree there, the Taneki, at Trader Joe's. And at one point, I saw Pileas there being sold for $8, and I was gonna pick one up, but then I already had a Pilea, so I didn't. And then I was kind of having regret not buying it, so I tried going there the next few days, and they didn't have it. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta dive right in. But the foliage on this, you can see it's speckled with white and different shades of green. I'm hoping that more of the white shines through, like this one leaf right here. But the foliage is nice. It's looking pretty healthy. I did repot this one. I haven't repotted the Caladium yet. I will pretty soon. I just need some time. Right now my baby's sleeping, so I'm able to do this video. He'll probably wake up in a few. But yeah, like I said, don't skip out on the gift shop area, because you don't know what you'll find at the grocery store. You know, sometimes you'll find that one plant you've been looking for all along. Alright, and I know some people have found this variegated peace lily at Home Depot. I haven't seen it at my Home Depot. I was lucky enough to find it at the Trader Joe's. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that like button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, thanks, bye.